Greetings of the day. Let's continue our lesson in Civics. Chapter number 3, Government. And the topic which we are going to start today is Constitution and Types of Government. So let's start it. Now let us revise again. What is a constitution? A constitution is a set of fundamental rules that govern a country. It lays down the type of government a country or state will have. For example, the Indian Constitution describes India as a parliamentary democracy with a federal system of government. A constitution also outlines the powers of the government. No government can function outside the provisions of the Constitution. Constitution can be written or unwritten, rigid or flexible. So let's see them. First, written or unwritten. In a written constitution, the fundamental rules of the government, the powers of its organs, and the rights of the people, etc., are in the form of a written document. It is not easy to amend. Amend means to change something in order to make it better. Usually, federal governments have a written constitution. For example, India has a written constitution. An unwritten constitution does not have any document containing the rules of the government. It comprises unwritten customs and conventions, laws passed by the parliament, or judicial decisions. It is relatively easy to amend. Unitary governments may have written or unwritten constitutions. For example, Britain has an unwritten constitution, while France has a written constitution. Now, a constitution can be rigid or flexible. A rigid constitution is one which cannot be changed easily. Usually, federal governments have a rigid constitution. For example, USA. A flexible constitution is one which can be changed easily. Unitary governments can have rigid or flexible constitutions. For example, the Constitution of Britain is flexible, while that of France is rigid.